can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. I haven't posted like in a week, and for that I do apologize. I low-key took a hiatus, but I was doing some big things behind the scenes that you guys might not even see on the channel. Honestly, I've been working towards something for a little while now, and I finally pulled the trigger on it. If you know, you know. If you don't, you might find out, and you might not. Who knows? I did take like a little week hiatus. I'm finally back. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button for me. That definitely would mean a lot. Subscribe to the channel and let me know anything that you would like me to make on here. Yo, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. There's a button on the bottom. Subscribe. It's called subscribe. Turn that red button gray. Let's get that to 17,000. Come on, bro. Join the fam. If you don't have an account, make one and subscribe. Like, let's stop wasting time. But we are going to talk about the fall winter 2020 dates. We're going to talk about some possible leaks that don't even have to do with Supreme. I'm going to talk about my L's that I've been taking on sneakers this whole month. I'm going to talk about all of that in today's video. But first, I am going to start with the dates for this season. We are supposed to see the teaser on Monday, August the 10th, which is like a couple weeks from now. I believe that's like literally 2 weeks from now, which is not that bad. A week after we get the teaser, which is Monday the 17th, we are going to get the lookbook. And the same Thursday when the lookbook come out, the 20th of August, we're going to be seeing the first in-store release for Supreme. That's probably going to be the most loaded week for Supreme this upcoming season. Normally on the first week they drop a bunch of shit, and mind you, they are going to do an online release as well, which is going to be either August 24th, which is the following Monday after the in-store release, or the 27th, which is the following Thursday. Hey, I'm honestly pretty excited about this season because I feel like last season was kind of all over the place with the pandemic and all the riots and stuff. Everything just kind of like went all over the place. The stores weren't opening. Collaborations were probably put at halt. Just a lot of stuff was going on. I do hope that for this upcoming season, a lot of those things that we missed out on come to fruition. The last thing that I do want to say is that the first collaboration should be on Thursday, September 3rd. So if they do end up dropping the online release on the 24th, that same Thursday we will not see a drop. It'll be the Thursday after that. We didn't really even have too much of a break. I do feel like this upcoming season is going to be crazy. I'm honestly really excited to see what they come up with, what we didn't get from this past season, but we have been seeing a couple possible collaborations. I don't want to talk about all of it because I feel like I'm gonna make a specific video for it, but those are all the dates that I have for you guys. It honestly can vary, but from everything that I've experienced with Supreme, I do feel like these are the official dates. We're going to talk about two possible things that we should be seeing from Supreme this season. We are supposed to get these cross trainer 3s. These are kind of dookie, bro. It's something that I definitely wouldn't wear on my feet, but I could see somebody pulling these off. These are too loud in my opinion. I honestly don't even know if I would wear either one of these. The black pair isn't all that bad. It kind of has the Gooch colorways on it, and on the back it does have the Supreme branding, which I do like, but the sneaker itself is just a dub, bro. What I mainly like on it is the branding. Everything else besides that could low-key lick a tip. This collab is probably gonna be alright. People are gonna buy it, and some people are actually enthusiasts of this sneaker right here. For me, if it's not an Air Max or Air Force One, I'm good on it, bro. Like, I'm good on this cross trainer 3. Now I know that a lot of people do like this model. It's just definitely not my cup of tea. These shits are ass in my opinion, but I know someone will bite the bullet on these. It just is the way it is. I do feel like when these drop, they're probably gonna do like a clothing collection to go along with it, and I do hope that the clothing is better than the sneakers because I low-key would end up going for that. We all know that the off-white Jordan 4s in like the sale colorway came out like a week ago. I took an L on them shits, let's be realistic, but Virgil did say that we might be seeing a men's size run of these. I really do hope that that is the case because I would definitely go for this sneaker again and try to get it. Low-key, this was a shit show. Resale for this sneaker is crazy right now. I honestly wish I would have got my hands on it. That sneaker was fire. I took an L on those. I took an L on the Grateful Dead Dunks, which are also bangers. Those are going for like $1,500, which is mind-boggling thing, bro. Like, who is paying $1,500 for those dunks? Definitely not me, but a lot of people are paying that shit. There's rumors being said that the off-white Jordan 4 in the Bred colorway might be coming out this fall 2020. These are speculations or rumors, but we have seen a sneaker. Like, we've seen the actual sneaker that somebody was holding. I don't know if I have the picture of it. Low-key, if it's like this mock-up that I'm showing you guys right here, I'm all in, bro. But if it's some other weird shit, like, no, I'm good on all that. This sneaker is definitely fire. I feel like resale on these would definitely be higher than the sale pair, and it wouldn't make sense for him to come out with these in the summertime, being that it's hot and people like wearing light colors. But this colorway is a banger in my opinion. I'm a huge fan of the Bred 4s, and this would be another iteration that I definitely would have to go for, bro. Hands down, I would love to have this sneaker right here. Now, one big ass letdown is these Union Jordan 4s. What the fuck? Why, bro? Like, why are they doing this? They went from the best sneaker of the year like a year or two ago to this shit right here. I feel like it's not that bad, but coming from their last collaboration, this shit is dookie. Like, bro, the tongue is missing. Like, the Jordan 4s are known for the high tongue. These look like Jordan 4 lows, bro. The little eyelets on the side panel, it's like all one piece. It doesn't even have the little hole between it. This looks like some shit that Jordan would drop and nobody would buy it, but since it has the Union name on it, people gonna bite the bullet. This might be the new Jordan 4. This is crazy, bro. I honestly wish that this is just like a nightmare. Like, bro, wake up and do some better shit. Low-key, every mock-up that I saw is better than this shit right here. It got the Jordan 9 tongue on a Jordan 4. Like, what is going on with the world right here? Like, I'm good on all that. If I have a chance to buy these shits at retail, I'm still pulling the trigger. Blame me for it, do what you do. I would pull the trigger for retail. I don't know if I would pay resale for this shit ever in my life. Retail, I would probably end up buying the sneaker right here. Today's video is actually sponsored by Addict.io. Addict.io is a bot for iOS, which you guys can get if you're trying to cook up on 85+ stores, including Babe Supreme, Kith, Undefeated. They even added Yeezy Supply as well. So you do want to go ahead and check out Addict.io. They have cooked up on a bunch of releases as far as Supreme goes as well. You can go ahead and get 10% off if you use code ASTRO. It will end up being like $117, which you can split in 4 different payments by using Sezzle. You definitely do not want to miss out. If you guys are interested in this bot, make sure you go ahead and click the link at the top of the description and sign up for their newsletter, because on August 1st at 4 p.m, if I'm not mistaken, they are going to officially restock right before the Supreme season. This is something that you definitely do not want to miss out on. It's super easy to set up. They have a Discord, and you can also ask them any questions on their Instagram, or if you have any issues, you can go ahead and contact me and I'll let them know. Regardless, I do feel like this bot is definitely really handy when it comes to a bunch of releases that you will be seeing, especially some that you saw in this video right here. But make sure you go ahead and sign up for their newsletter and go ahead and check them out on August 1st at 4 p.m. Do not miss out on that. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to this video. We actually have these on feet pictures of the Yeezy 451s. These bitches got a zipper going down the middle. I'm just, hey, Ye has been on some other shit lately, bro. I'm not even gonna judge him. He's probably going through some serious shit. These sneakers probably represent what he's going through right now. Like, bro, there's a whole bunch of emotions, a whole bunch of ups and downs. It's just a lot of stuff going on. I'm good on these sneakers right here, but we do have the Virgil Abloh Mercedes collaboration, off-white Mercedes collaboration. This shit is fire, bro. I don't know if they're gonna release like a car or something, but the fact that he's even collaborating with all these brands is just insane in my opinion. And it goes to say, bro, hard work definitely gets you there. I remember seeing the Pyrex Vision shorts that he came out with mad years ago, and now he's at a point that he's collaborating with Mercedes, working with Louis V. Like, bro, there's no telling like where you can get in life if you just stay determined. Honestly, anything is possible. But I am excited for this Mercedes collaboration. I feel like it might be something good coming out of it. On August 20th, we are supposed to see these Dunk Low Sambas. Y'all know that Dunks have been flying off the shelves. Grateful Deads are going for like $2,000. Every pair of Dunks sells. Like, this shit is crazy, bro. Not one Dunk has sat ever since Travis Scott came out with his Dunks. This is a fire colorway, so you already know that these shits are probably already sold out low key. I feel like this is a clean colorway though. Nonetheless, I would definitely love to wear this one in the personal, but by the way it's looking, bro, I might not even try. Like, sneakers is rigged, bro. It's frustrating frustrating, not gonna lie. There are also some speculations that there's gonna be a Supreme anti-hero collab for this fall winter 2020 season. I'm just gonna put that out there. I don't really know what it would look like. We don't have any official pictures, but on one of the summer tees that came out the last week of Supreme or something like that, there was like a tag behind the tag that said Supreme anti-hero. So that probably was supposed to come out this previous season, but like I said, a lot of stuff just got maneuvered and switched around. So honestly, we might be seeing that this season. If you're into that brand, hey, that's for you. We got 2 more Jordan leaks, then we're straight up out the building. They are saying that the Jordan 6 Carmines are supposed to release in February 2021. I know we're just in 2020, but listen, if the Carmines drop, I'm in there, bro. Like, I slept on the DMPs, it's all good, bro, but the Carmines I'm definitely gonna need. Just like if the retro, the varsity reds, those would be a must. Even the infrareds that just came out, I regret sleeping on those. Definitely should have went for them, but it is what it is. These Carmines would have to come with me. The last sneaker I want to talk about is this Jordan 5 Anthracite. It's kind of like the Jordan 9 Anthracite, which I love. This sneaker got beat, bro. I wore this shit for like so long, and I don't think I would ever sell this sneaker right here. I got this at a time where I wasn't having too much money. These are like one of my favorite sneakers when I had these. I don't think I would ever let these go. Fire ass sneaker, and I feel like the Jordan 5s are low-key a banger, bro. Like, dark colors on the Jordan 5 looks good simply because it makes the sneaker look a little bit smaller. Jordan 5s are bulky as shit, especially on the sides right here. They got the bubbles, so with the black sneaker, it just looks a little bit more slimmed down, and I feel like that gray colorway on it bangs, not even gonna lie. But that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all did enjoy, make sure you go ahead and slap a fat like on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. I'm gonna keep saying it, bro. Subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this, subscribe, bro. It's not gonna hurt you to subscribe to the channel. Like, it's free, bro. Like, you follow somebody on Instagram, you can subscribe to my channel real quick. Like, it's mad easy, bro. Anything y'all would like me to do on this channel, just go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I do got some videos that I am working on for you guys. Make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for those. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.